Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I'm gonna talk about this product called Micellar Cleansing Water by Garnierskinnaturals, and I'm going to also show you all that how you can use this product and how it helps you in removing all the makeup in just one swipe. Can you guys believe it? So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So it comes with a box like this. Alright, so I'm gonna open this box for you all so that you all can see what is inside it. So yeah, it comes with a bottle of cleansing water. It also comes with 3 cotton pads, if you guys can see it. Yeah, I'm going to use this cleanser on my face using these cotton pads so you all can see how it helps me in removing all the makeup from my face. I'm going to take this cotton pad and I'm gonna use a few drops of this cleansing water. Yeah, so I think it actually worked well for my skin, and you can see all the makeup is gone only in just one swipe. So if you guys don't want to spend on any cleansing water, and if you don't have any cleansing water, what you can do is you can use rose water instead of any cleanser. It is also affordable. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.